so rude.
Okay, one more round.
Goody.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Fire truck.
Red.
California.
Awesome.
Liberace.
Piano.
Okay, make up a song using red, awesome, and piano.
Well, that's kind of easy, because it all goes together.
Okay, then you're...
Liberace played his awesome red piano. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Liberace played his awesome red piano. I don't know how he did it wearing all of those rings.
I didn't think it was possible. I really doubted
I even
it.
added in your words, so I think I should get extra points.
Actually, what I was going to say, I didn't think it was possible, but your first one was better.
Come on, I added in your words and my 3.
I know, but you don't get extra credit because, you know...
Well, I'm the producer and I do, so let's move on. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, did that